Okay, so finishing up the last problem. So like I said, you need to figure out how many times you need to stop. So that's 1 stop, 2 stops, blah, 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 blah. So this is a division problem because we need to find out how many times my gas tank needs to be refilled. So when I'm doing this, I'm going to do 1142. Oh, actually, sorry. The number of miles that I travel divided by the amount of gas that I can do, 250. So if I was only traveling 500 miles, I would go and stop twice. Okay. So this is my expression. Miles I travel divided by 250. And then I have 1152 to plug in for miles. So this becomes 1142 or 1142 divided by 250, which I can use a calculator for, or I can do it long division if I want to. So if I'm going to do long division, I'm going to erase this over here. 1142 divided by 250. 250 does not go into 1. It does not go into 11. It does not go into 114. So I've got to figure out how many times it goes to 1142. So 2 times 250 is 500. So I'm going to try 4. So 250 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. So that's 1,000. Okay, so then that's a little low. It's lower than 1142. So I'm going to do 250 times 5 just to check. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. 1250, that's too much. It's too high. So I start with 4. And then I get 1,000. And I have 142 left over. So my answer is 4, because the whole number's on top, and 142 out of 250. This is my answer. That one was a little tricky, but we got it because we know that we take the number of miles we travel and divide it by how many miles we can go on one tank. You will need to make 5 stops because you'll need an extra amount of gas in your tank. So you will need 5 stops. Yay! Alrighty, Friday, that is it for this.